Hello everyone, in this video we will see an exercise on QlikView. The objective of this exercise is what is the use of multi-box in QlikView. So basically I have loaded our data related to coffee sales. I have clicked on reload. I will go to this particular canvas or QlikView document, go to new sheet object, click on this particular option named as multi-box. So I will give the title as coffee sales. I will add all the fields in the multi-box. So some of the fields will be having drop down and some of the fields which is having values, so it can be reflected in the multi-box. So only two fields can be visible over here. I will click on apply. So over here we can see that a multi-box has been created. Now I will click on OK. So when I will go over here, so it will be giving me list what will be the coffee sales. So when I will click on the products, it is going to give me the list of the products. So when I will click on this particular coffee sales, it is giving me list products. It is also giving me this. So we will be having this drop down as well as this particular. So these are the field names and this is nothing but having the values. So I hope you have understood how to create a multi-box in QlikView. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.